Still cooking with old, uneven pans that stick and burn your food? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best cookware sets on Amazon that can completely transform your kitchen experience. From nonstick performance to long-lasting durability, I'll walk you through what makes each set stand out. And of course, I'll be honest about the pros and cons so you can pick what truly fits your cooking style. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. Green Pan Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. The Green Pan 22-piece Valencia Pro Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set is an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-quality, toxin-free cookware. The ceramic non-stick surface performs beautifully, food slides right off, and cleanup is effortless, even after high-heat cooking. I love that it's PFAS-free and safe for both the oven and dishwasher, making it convenient for everyday use. The hard anodized construction feels durable and distributes heat evenly across all cooktops, including induction. The glass lids fit securely and let you monitor food easily. The only drawback is that the exterior can show scratches if not handled carefully. Overall, a premium, versatile cookware set built for serious home cooks. Number 2. My second best pick, Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set. The Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set is a stylish and functional upgrade for any modern kitchen. The navy color looks premium, and the included storage organizers keep everything neat and accessible. A big plus if you like a clutter-free setup. Cooking performance is excellent. The ceramic non-stick coating releases food effortlessly and cleans up in seconds. It's also non-toxic, which adds peace of mind for health-conscious users. The pots and pans heat evenly and work perfectly on all stovetops, including induction. The only downside is that the exterior coating can chip if stacked carelessly. Overall, it's a beautiful, durable, and practical set that's worth the investment. Number 3. My third best pick, Cuisinart 12-piece Cookware Set. The Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro 12-piece stainless steel cookware set is a true workhorse for home chefs who love precision cooking. The triple-ply construction and heat surround technology ensure even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for perfectly cooked meals. I really like the solid, professional feel and the cool grip handles. They stay comfortable even during long cooking sessions. The set is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving great versatility from stovetop to oven. Cleanup is fairly easy, though stainless steel does require a bit more care to maintain its shine. The only downside is the weight. They're heavier than typical pans. Overall, a premium, long-lasting cookware set that delivers restaurant-quality performance. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Tefal Ultimate Hard Non-Stick Cookware Set. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is a fantastic option for everyday cooks who want durability and convenience. The non-stick surface truly lives up to its promise. Food slides off effortlessly, and cleanup is a breeze, even without oil. I love the variety of pans included, from fry pans to a griddle, covering nearly every cooking need. The thermospot heat indicator is a nice touch, letting you know when the pan is perfectly preheated. It's also dishwasher-safe, which saves time after busy meals. The only downside is that the handles can get slightly warm on high heat. Overall, it's a reliable, budget-friendly set built for daily use and long-term value. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, NoWave Healthy Nonstick Cookware. The NoWave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set is an impressive blend of style, safety, and performance. The diamond-infused ceramic coating feels durable and truly resists scratches, even with daily use. Food releases easily, and cleanup takes just seconds. Plus, it's completely PFAS-free, which adds peace of mind. I appreciate that it heats evenly on all stovetops, including induction, and the stay-cool handles make cooking more comfortable. The tempered glass lids fit snugly and let you monitor food without lifting. The only downside is that the blue exterior can show stains if not cleaned promptly. Overall, it's a well-designed, reliable, and healthy cookware set worth considering for everyday cooking. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite cookware sets? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.